Like father, like son.
You guys missed the show.
Bowen, is this true?
Yeah! And I'm just getting started.
The Master's dark magic has given me more power than I ever dreamed. I can't believe you gave it up!
Bowen, you have to fight this.
I'm here to fight you! The mystic force will fall by my sword, starting with the mighty Leanbow.
No!
Training time's over. This is the real thing. I'm through with you! You can't run from me! Feeling your rage? Get up! You're retired! I harness the power of the Master! Attack!
There he is!
I'll deal with you after.
Nick, please! Stop!
No, don't!
Don't do it!
This is the end.
Nick, no!
You're right. We've battled enough.
Pick up your sword!
I won't fight you anymore.
Or perish.
I know you're in there, son. I love you.
Dad!
I'm sorry, Dad. I knew what I was doing. Now I understand what you went through.
I'm just glad you're back.